It is September 4th, 2016, and Bryce and I are going to a small Sunday game of BB Wars at Camp R&R in Gales Creek, Oregon. We will be meeting up with 3 other guys there, Dustin, Brandon, and Andrew. The game is sector control. Flip a pipe to have your team's color on top to PTFO. The longer you control a point, the more you win. We are tan team against green. One of the 2 objectives is at a small church structure. We move to take it first.
I think I got hit. Probably.
You see me run away here, but I assure you it is for completely legitimate tactical reasons. I intend to move along a more northern route, engaging baddies and hopefully allowing our team to advance towards the far cap point easier. I fell back about 15 meters from that engagement. The contact is still present, about 15 meters past the shrubbery just in front of me.
I need more bodies. Moving along the left flank where I am. If you take the path behind me, it's pretty clear right now. Just be careful and be quiet. Just one.
We try to advance towards the other objective, but our push fails and we get wiped out and lose the church instead. We were having trouble getting out of our spawn, so we tried a trickier route through the stream. Unfortunately, Bryce's fire team decided to go rogue, so they shot him down and fled into the woods. Most everyone else was killed soon after.
The OD guys killed you? Alright, copy. I'll give them a heads up if I come across them. Hit! Fuck.
After an energizing pep talk from one of the admins and a bolster to our forces, we finally secured a foothold in the tree line west of the church. This was our last offensive of the game.
Yeah, I think the OD guys are still over there. We're pushing up towards the village right now, so we're going this way. We know there are some hostiles in this direction. Yeah. I'm back. Copy. Alright, we also got hostiles in the church, which is just like 100 feet this way. Nice. Nice. Do you still see him? He did or you did? We got friendlies moving this way too. I want to ask them to push up so we can move towards the church this way. Distance. 100, yup. Still not dead? You got him. I need you guys to move up with me. I know, I need your help to move up. We gotta all move as one into that church. No, not now, but slowly, we can't go one by one. We have to go like as a cohesive unit. Keep watching the right. We got straight ahead, so you guys watch right. This is Team 2. We're about to storm the church. Taking the second chance you get. Okay, get ready. As soon as, we're charged, we all have to go. None of us can hesitate. And try to just keep spread out, in this direction. Keep your guns pointed forward. You see him? Where is he now, roughly? us to assume there are. Huh? Okay. Well, I'm gonna check a grenade in there anyways, just to be sure. Alright, remember your CQB Marine training, because we're gonna use it now. Do you see him? Alright. Let's move. Lights on. Contact front! He's down. Come on, let's go, let's go. They're in the church. Shit. Get that cover. Grenade out! Fuck me, really? There we go. Copy. Get to cover. I don't think the guy in the roof is dead. And the roof of this is dead.
At this point, the admins come over to inform the player in the bell tower that he is dead. With that, this is the end of part 1. Let me know if you liked or disliked this video, why, and what can be improved. Check out part 2 to see the second game from Bryce's perspective.